to see how many shares your TikTok has. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see how many shares your TikTok has. So first thing, make sure you update TikTok. Now click on TikTok. All you need to do is click on profile and make sure your TikTok is a business account, because if your TikTok is not a business account you can't see how many people share your video. Now click on those three buttons up there. Click on setting and privacy and manage account. Switch to business account. Next, I'm gonna choose anything. Just for example, I'm gonna choose like art. Next. Welcome to your business account. Skip. Okay. Now all you need to do is click on your video. Now click on those 3 points. Click on analytic. And you can see now how many people share or liked or comment your video. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.